Hi everyone, here's my collection. I'm going to introduce the automated vehicles here. Um, so here are some topics I'm interested about. The first one is the overview of the automated vehicles, and the second one is the 5 levels of automated vehicles, which is the standard determined by the SEA, I think. And the last one is why automated vehicle is not fully driverless now. On the left, we can see this ideal. It is an ideal scenario that every vehicle is automated, and also there's no traffic light here to stop the vehicles, and no crash the human being, no car crashing. It's a very ideal scenario, and perhaps that's the will happen in the future, I think. So let's see the first one. Let's link to uh, the view. Here's the large view of the first topic. That in the center is the conceptual diagram that's show you where each uh, part is in the vehicle, and the things around it is the detail about each one. Let's go to the diagram here, and you can see here that we have 6 parts here, and each one you can click by the link, or you can click by the text here. Okay, let's go back. And the actuator and the perception are programmed, so there's no physical part I can bound it to. Let's go to the first part. It's the perception. So in the perception here, we have a video to show how the perception vision in the algorithm as the algorithm categorize different part in the from camera to different colors. And on the right is a article about different algorithm in the perception. Actually, the neural network is the most favorite part here. So it is also based on the development of neural networks that the auto-drive vehicle will come to the reality. Let's go back to diagram here. And the next slide is the sensor. I have a vertical view of sensor and shows uh, which the range of each sensor and which direction does this sensor be responsible for. So here I have long range, I have lidar, I have camera, I have short range radar, and here is a front view that can tell you which each sensor is installed on which part of the vehicle. And I also have some link here to have a very a detailed description of such sensor, and also like lidar. I have also linked to the lidar and the camera. I also can link to the camera here. Let's go back to the diagram. And the next one is the actuator. It's a article about the actuator. It's pretty detailed. I think this everything you have is in this article. And let's go back to the main diagram. And the next one is the control. It's like a central computer to collect data and make decision. Yeah, that's not much in here. And go back again. The fifth one is the V2X. V2X means vertical to something else, not just but also vehicle perception, pedestrian network, and infrastructure. So all these things are the information we can collect not only by the vehicle, but they also can help how the vehicle make decisions. Let's go back to the. Let's just go to the last one. It's the planning. The planning includes like global task and the like the more smaller one. The global means like Google Map, you from one destination, from one place to another place, and the algorithm will give you the path of it. And in the more detail, it's like which road you can choose in the on the road. And here's go to the list here. Let's go to the 5 levels here, and here's a bigger view of it. Including level 0, actually there are 6 levels. From level 0, it's like we can have a text here to show what is level 0, and also we have like a small diagram, small feature to tell you what's the level 0 looks like. It's just like a manual driving car. And in level 1, you can see that people that the car will handle one task, and in level 2, you can see that the car will handle at least 2 tasks. I think we are in the level 2 for currently. And in level 3, you can see that the driver is facing behind the wheel. And in level 4, there's no driver here. And in level 5, it is the final destination. The last part is the question I want to answer here. It's why we still need a human to supervise the driving. It's because that due to these different dimensions, dimension is mentioned in this article about sensor, machine learning, the open road, the regulation, and the social acceptability. And for each of these dimensions, there's some accident case caused by the failure of such feature. Let's go to the first one here. So the first one is a car accident due to the failure of sensor. And also you can think back to the vehicle here. And the second one is about the failure of machine learning, and we can also link back here. And the last one is like how can we determine who is responsible for the accident, the vehicle or the driver. Okay, it's a big view. And the last one is my thoughts. And also some questions if you are interested about how you are going to make decisions when you are buying a vehicle, or like if you are driving a car and there is a car accident, should you be responsible for it, or should the algorithm be responsible for it? So that's all of my presentations. Thank you for watching.